Am I wrong for not letting my best friend have her wedding on my property after being uninvited? One of my 29 male best friends, Carla, 31 female, is getting married soon. It's only meant to be a small backyard type of wedding, but they've been planning it for a few months now, and originally it was supposed to be on my property. They wanted my property because it's private, has a lot of open space for the reception, it has a really nice view, and the house can be used for them to get ready and stuff. Of course, I said yes, and she and her fiance Rick were really happy. Thing is, Carla and I do have a history. We went out on and off in college and decided to stay friends. Then I met my wife and we got married, and Carla met Rick, and now here they are. Now, my wife knows I went out with Carla back in college and she didn't care. Carla still went to our wedding and everything. I never knew if Rick was told or not, but it's not my relationship, so it's not my business. Rick found out recently and not in the best way. I'm not sure how, but from what I heard, one of our mutual friends told him that we used to date, and I have no idea why. Not only that, but apparently Carla said a couple of years ago that she was still in love with me, and this was when she was already dating Rick. All Carla has told me is that Rick was told about our past and that he's mad at her for not saying anything. It became a really big deal, and I didn't hear from her for over a month. But recently she contacted me and told me that they're going to couples counseling and that the wedding is still on. But Rick said that I couldn't attend. And to be honest, I really couldn't even blame him. So I asked the obvious question, where are they going to have the wedding? To my surprise, she said that they still wanted to have it at my place. At this point, I'm thinking, Rick doesn't want the guy who dated his fiancee years ago at the wedding, but he still wants the wedding at his house? So what, me and my wife are supposed to just not go home that weekend? It just doesn't make sense. And the crazy thing is, Rick and some of my friends are saying that I'm a petty asshole for not letting them have the wedding at my house. So now I'm being accused of sabotaging their wedding, and Rick thinks that it's the least I could do for what happened. So am I wrong?